This is our erspan lab. We are going to choose this particular device here as our erspan-source device. At this device, we are going to be monitoring gigabit 2 as our source. So we are going to be actually creating a copy of all the frames that are going to be received and transmit on this interface, and we are going to send them to this other device here that is going to be our destination device. We are going to encapsulate these frames within an IP packet. So we are going to add an IP header, a GRE header, and a erspan header. We are going to let it as default, so we are going to use type 2 headers. We are not going to use type 3. And then this destination device is going to encapsulate this traffic and deliver this traffic to this capture device here. So at this destination device here, the destination port is going to be gigabit 3. Now, an important note here, for this lab, the destination device is going to be running iOS XE 3.17. I have found that this iOS XE is successful at the encapsulating erspan traffic. I have not had any luck with other versions, so I am using this particular version because it works. So you might want to use the same version. My GNS3 version is 2254, just for your information. So let's do the lab. So this is our setup. Notice that we don't have any monitor sessions at our source device, at our destination device. Now, we are going to use this as our origin IP address. This is the wide area network IP address for our source device. And we are going to use this IP address. This is the wide area network IP address for the destination device. Now, let's configure the source device. We are going to execute monitor session 1 that will be of type erspan-source. The source interface will be gigabit 2. We are going to monitor both directions. We are going to issue no shutdowns because otherwise this will be administrative disabled. Now let's go to the destination mode where we are going to configure the erspan flow ID. We're going to choose 1000, and then the destination address will be 172.17.1.1, and the origin address, this is an IP address that exists here within the source device, will be my wide area network IP address. So this is how it looks like at the source device. It is an erspan source session. It is enabled. We are monitoring gigabit 2 on both directions. This is the destination IP, and this is the origin IP. Now let's configure the destination device. So we should issue show monitor session 1 type erspan-destination. We are going to set the destination interface to gigabit 3, and then we're going to go into source mode, where we are going to configure the erspan flow ID 1000. It must match to what we have in the source device. And now the IP address, this is an IP address that exists within this device. So I am going to use the wide area network IP address. Notice that this is the IP address that we use at the source device as the destination IP. So the destination IP within the source device is going to become the IP address that we are going to configure at the destination device. So let's issue show monitor session, and let's enable it. So this is how it looks like. So let's capture traffic here at the wide area network interface. And then we are going to create some traffic. So let's do a ping here. So notice how we are sending an IP header where the source IP address is an IP address that lives within the source device, which is here, this one. And the destination IP address is the address that we configure here. This is the destination IP. And then we have a GRE header followed by an erspan header. And this is actually encapsulating the complete Ethernet frame. So let's do a capture here about how and see how this traffic is actually being delivered to the end device. So let's go here and do a ping. So this is the actual traffic that is being de-encapsulated. This is the traffic that is encapsulated, that is traveling through the layer 3 network. And this is the traffic that is de-encapsulated and that is being delivered to this capture device. That's it.